Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And you know that I love too much DIY kits, and I found pretty cool DIY project on Aliexpress, and this one costs around $10 US. And what do you think? What is it? With all electronic components, PCB boards, some case, they include also the schematic. And what it says in the title, what is it? High voltage electromagnetic shooter. The model is Adju 064 DIY electronic kit coil booster module, circuit making with acrylic case, without battery but with battery holder. Oh, I love DIY kits that I need to assemble, and this one is looking pretty cool, and that's why I have ordered it, and of course I got it. The battery holder, the electronic components, the electromagnetic coil, the acrylic case, here the instruction manual step by step, the printed circuit board. Alright, more, and let's start building. Everything is described very well in the instruction manual. What it says: upgraded electromagnetic process kit with schematic also, and step by step assembling instructions. Bubbles! I got some bubbles, and you know I love bubbles, popping bubbles. Oh. So we got the PCB board, the electromagnetic coil, battery holder, the acrylic case that will be on the end of assembling, and all the electronic components that need to be soldered on the PCB board. Let's start. And to mention, I will put a link in description below so you can check this or maybe buy it, this DIY kit. In the instruction manual, first it says that we need to solder and place the resistors, then the diodes. Okay, by the way, everything is marked on the printed circuit board, which component goes where. These are 10 kilo ohm resistors. Alright. One more 10 kilo ohms. Next is placing the diodes, and please be careful on the polarity. Alright, where is the other? Here it is. Alright, now I'm gonna solder. I love these helping hands. Also, I will put a link in description below so you can check this product. It's awesome and cheap. Alright. Next, to replace it, the LEDs where it says power for indicating power on, 50% and 100% charged. The electromagnetic coil. Let's also need to be careful on the polarity of the LEDs. This one is 50% and 100% red. I have soldered the two transistors, and next is to place and solder the inductance coil, and you need to be also careful on the sides that are very well described in the instruction manual, because if you place it wrong, probably it will not run properly. Okay, let me show you. It's the same as on the picture. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's see what is next. Next is adding the electrolytic capacitor, and this one is 1000 microfarads, 100 volts. And also it's marked where goes the positive and the negative lead. Is it this way? Yes. Should be. Oh no, it's laid down, to be laid down like this. Alright. Placing and soldering the electrolytic capacitor, and also I have soldered 3 wires. And the next is on the second PCB to add the coil. Here it is. And what it says, out, input. And it should go like this maybe. Let me check what it says in the instruction. Oh, it says like this. That's why we need instruction. I'm finished with soldering all electronic components and the wiring between the main PCB board and the PCB board with electromagnetic coil. And the next step is assembling the case. Whoa! Come on, man! Alright. We have the screws and the acrylic pieces, and this is the very satisfying part where I need to peel out this protective paper. Oh. Oh, nice. Beautiful. It's a little bit a mess on the table, but I love it. I love DIY kits, assembling everything. And on this panel we're gonna add the what it says in the instruction. The switch goes here. What I have done! I broke it. Oh! Two component glue with activator that can fix almost everything. Alright. I need to spray this part and whoa! Touch it. Very gentle. Wait a couple of seconds. Oh, is it right? Okay, okay. Fix it. With that, I don't like it, but what I can do, I'm gonna place the push button. Next is adding the electromagnetic coil on top of this acrylic. Oh, wires go through the, probably through these holes. Yes. And the other one. So placing the electromagnetic coil on this acrylic piece was a little bit tricky, but I did it. So the wires from the main PCB go through the acrylic piece on the electromagnetic PCB board, and it's tied with 4 screws. Okay, next. So to explain the progress, I have placed the battery holder, and the wires from the battery holder are connected on these points where it says positive and negative for the battery. Also the wires K1 minus and K1 plus are soldered on the main power switch, and the wires from K2 minus and K2 plus are soldered on the electromagnetic coil. Maybe I am at 80% of assembling this thing. Let's continue. Now I'm gonna add 4 screws, bolts and nuts for the main PCB to be attached to the bottom acrylic case. Alright. Almost finished it. Just the last part to be added, and this one goes right here. And what do you think? Turned out pretty cool. An electromagnetic shooter. And yes, in the kit you will receive these magnetic bullets. We have 3 LEDs for indicating power, 50% and 100%. Turning on, and we have the green light. We're gonna wait some time so can be light up the 50% and 100%. Waiting. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Loading. Power on. 50%. Whoa. Working fine, and it's super fun to watch it how it works. Alright, one more time. Come on. Beautiful. Oh, take a look. I can shoot LEDs. Loading. Can I launch a screw? Let's try it. Fire! Oh, this is super fun. How it works? So the electricity from the battery go through the transistors and resistors to charge the electrolytic capacitor, and when it's fully charged, you release that energy from the electrolytic capacitor to the electromagnetic coil. And remember this, even the circuit is off, the electrolytic capacitor is still charged and can fire. Wow! Pretty cool gadget. The link will be in description below so you can check it. And because of the transparent acrylic case, this one looks pretty amazing. Except for the crack right here that I broke it, but never mind. The DIY kit, Electromagnetic DIY kit, looks amazing. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Loading with 2 metal bearings and try it. Yes! It shoots with both of them.